Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about modification of risk exposure. Now that you know how to measure risk, you have budgeted your risk. Finally, it is a time to take a feedback, or rather to monitor your risk or to modify your risk. How can you actually modify the risk exposure? There are four ways in front of you. First one is risk prevention and avoidance. So this is a category of risk aversion. Basically, you will try to prevent or avoid risk, which means you won't enter into risky contracts. So don't enter into such contracts जिससे risk हो. That is the best way of prevention of risk. But this is what risk averse investors would do. So not really for our syllabus. Next is risk acceptance. Risk acceptance can be done by way of self insurance. Basically, bear the risk. सीधा सीधा risky contract में enter हो जाओ, bear the risk. Or diversification. Divide the portfolio in 2-3 asset classes having low correlations. Now, you've studied this concept earlier that if the correlation between two asset classes is low, then there is good diversification benefit. So select two asset classes, like one is equity and one is bonds. So equity, if it is making losses, bonds है ना वो fixed income देगा थोड़ा and that losses will be cut. So always you can diversify the portfolio. These are the two measures of risk acceptance. If you want to accept risk, self insurance and diversification. Next is risk transfer. Now if you don't want to take a risk, transfer it to someone else. So the best example is insurance policy. Use insurance policy and transfer the risk to the insurers. So now if you are at risk, say for example you have your goods in a godown and that godown is prone to fire, समझो उधर पास्ट में बहुत सारा आग लगा है and now you don't want to risk it again, so you can take fire insurance of that. You pay some premium and now if there is any fire, insurance company will compensate you. Or surety bond, fidelity bond or indemnity bond. Now these three terms are used for two parties, out of which if one party does not perform something or does not honor the contract, then the other party will pay an amount. So when a party does not honor an obligation, the other party will be compensated for losses. In simple words, I can say, see, for example, if I am a seller and there is a buyer of my goods, if I send my goods but the buyer does not pay, then I am ought to be compensated. So there is some kind of a bond or an agreement between us that you have to compensate me for the loss. Next is risk shifting. Risk shifting is again a method of risk transfer, but an extended version of it. Use derivatives to shift the risk to other parties, and other parties may accept or shift ahead the risk. These are quite cheaper. See, derivatives, you know, futures and options are quite cheap. So if you have some exposure to any risk, you can use derivatives, like you can hedge the risk, and सामने वाला party जो है, it can further hedge it or further shift it. I'll give you one example. If you have $1 million receivable after a year, what you can do is you can enter into a forward contract to sell $1 million at XYZ rate. For example, that rate is 70 rupees per dollar. Now that सामने वाला buyer जो है वो तुमसे 70 में लेगा, he will enter into a contract with another party to sell those dollars at 71 rupee per dollar. Basically, that other party is also trying to shift his risk through other derivatives. Now forward contracts are for free, you don't have to pay anything today. So there is a cheaper option and it is like risk transfer, but you can transfer it to multiple parties. So it is a chain. So that is why we use the term risk shifting. All in all, you can categorize these measures into four parts. First one was risk prevention and avoidance. उसको transaction में enter नहीं करना है. Risk acceptance, where you take self insurance, मतलब you bear the risk, or you can diversify it. Third one was risk transfer through indemnity bond or through insurance policy. And last one was risk shifting through derivatives. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.